Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic binomial theorem. This is the part 1. Here in this video we will discuss various formulas and concept. Okay. So here subscribe my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. Now let us begin the topic. Suppose in the expansion, let us expansion that is, and this is number of terms, x plus y power of 0. So any power of 0, 1. So number 1. So if it is power 0, one term is there. X plus y power of 1, that is x plus y. If power is 1, number of term is 2. X plus y power of 2, that x square plus 2xy plus y square. So power 2, number power is 2, and 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. If x plus y whole cube is there, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube means power 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. If power 4 is there, x power of 4 plus 4x cube y plus 6x square y square plus 4x y cube plus y square. That means if it is power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. So in general, in x plus y power of n expansion, there are n plus 1 terms. N plus 1 terms. Okay. So this is regarding binomial expansion. Let us see Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle. So here it is index and here it is coefficient. So if the index, that is power 0 is there, only number of 1. 1 is there, you will write 1 and 1. If it is index 2, 2 means what you have to do? 1 as it is, 1 plus 1, 2, and this one as it is. For 3, index 3, so 1 here and 1 last here, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is regarding 3. If index 4 is there, so 1 as it is here and last one as it is, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, and 1 as it is. If 5 is there, so write 1 first and last, and this 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5. If index 6 is there, so 1 first and last as it is, 1 plus 5, 6, 5 plus 10, 15, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is regarding Pascal triangle. So in Pascal triangle, what we observe, each row begins and end with 1. Number 1. See, 1, 1, 1 and beginning, and 1, 1, 1 ends. B. The nth row has n plus 1 term for any n belongs to z plus. See here, if 2 is there, 3 terms. 3 means 4 terms. 4 means 5 terms. So regarding this Pascal triangle. Now let us see. Here something you must know, that find the values of the following. Example, 5C0. If C0 is there, you must write 1. 5C0 value is 1. 3C0 value 1. 8C0 1. 9C0 1. 4C0 1. 7C0 1. So it means wherever C0 is there, our first number is 1. Next, 4C2. What you have to do, that in the denominator 2 is there, you will write fraction, numerator and denominator. So in denominator 1, 2 means 1 multiplied by 2, and numerator 4, 4C2 means 4 and decreasing number, only 2 number. So 4 multiplied by 3. 4C2 means 4 multiplied by 3 by 1 in 2 means 1 into 2. So 4 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. For example, 6C4, 6 previous number up 4, so 6, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers in the denominator. 4 means 1 2 3 4. This 4 cancel, this 3 cancel. 6 by 2 3, 3 5s are 15. 9C3, 9C3 means 3 terms before 9. So 987 by 3 means 1 2 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 3 2s are 3 multiply by 4 into 7, that is 84. For example, let us see some more. 4C0 1. 4C1 means 4 by 1 4. 4C2 4 multiply by 3 by 1 multiply by 2, 12 by 2 6. 4C3 4 multiply by 3 into 2, 3 terms, 4 3 2 by 3 means 1 2 3. 3 2 3 2 cancel, 4 by 1 4. 4C4 4 terms before 4, so 4 3 2 1 by 4 means 1 2 3 4, all are cancelled 1. Okay, for example, let us understand this. 6C0 1. 6C1 means 6 by 1 6. 6C2 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. So 6 5 is 30, 30 by 2 15. 6C3, so 3 terms before, so 6 5 4 by 3 means 1 2 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 cancel, 5 4s are 20. 6C4 means 4 terms before 6, so 6 5 4 3 by 4 means 1 2 3 4. 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 6 5 is 30, 30 by 2 15. Okay, 6C5 5 terms before 6, 6 5 4 3 2 by 1 2 3 4. 5 2 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3 2 cancel, 6 by 1 6. Like this you will solve. Now let us move for another topic. This is very important. X plus a power of n. This is known as binomial expansion. X plus a power of n. So it is known as sigma r is equal to 0 to n NCR x to the power of n minus r or a to the power of r. NCR x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r. This is in the form of sigma. If you expand, it will be NC0 x to the power of n a power of 0 plus NC1 x to the power of n minus 1 a power of 1 plus NC2 x power of n minus 2 a power of 2 up to NCR x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r. This is known as this term. This is very important term. NCR x to the power of n minus r a to the power of, this is known as general term. So up to NCN x to the power of 0 a to the power of n. Okay, so here in this expansion, this NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 are up to NCN are called binomial coefficients, and simply we can write as NC0 C0, NC1 C1, NC2 C2 up to NCN means Cn. Just now I told you general term. General term, this one is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r, provided 0 less than equal to r less than equal to n. Next, you have seen this expansion. Now middle term. So middle term means if n is even, here n, if n is even in the expansion of x plus a power of n, then the middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. Okay, suppose next, if n is odd, then t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2 are the middle terms. Okay, so what will be there? T n plus 1 by 2 is equal to nc n minus 1 by 2 x to the power of n plus 1 by 2 a power of n minus 1 by 2, and this t n plus 3 by 2, t n plus 3 by 2 is equal to nc n plus 1 by 2 x to the power of n minus 1 by 2 into, this is n plus 1 a power of n plus 1 by 2. So these are the middle term if n is even, n is odd. Next, trinomial expansion. Here it is two terms, so this is known as binomial expansion. Trinomial expansion means three terms, a plus b plus c power of n, then sigma 0 less than equal to p comma q and r less than equal to n, provided p plus q plus r is equal to n. So this expansion is n factorial by p factorial q factorial into r factorial, a power of p, b power of q, c power of r. Okay, and in trinomial expansion, number of term is n plus 1, n plus 2 by 2. Next topic, numerical greatest term for x plus 1 power of n, not a, n 1. This is short known as NGT. So here what is NGT? If n plus 1 of mod x by mod x plus 1 is equal to p, so a positive integer, then pth and p plus 1th term are numerical greatest term in 1 plus x power of n. This is known as NGT. Now this is first point. Now second, if n plus 1 mod of x by mod x plus 1 is equal to p plus f, where p is a positive integer and 0 less than f less than 1, then p plus 1th term is NGT. Okay, now you have some important notation. Standard notation. What are the standard notation? C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 up to Cn is equal to 2 power of n, or sigma r is equal to 0 to n, NCr is equal to 2 power of n. Likewise, second, C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus up to minus 1 power of n, Cn equal to 0. It means alternate plus or minus 0. Next, C0 plus C4 plus C4 plus C8 means even number is equal to C1 plus C3 plus C5 odd number. Even number or odd number is will be 2 power of n minus 1. Okay. Next, largest binomial coefficient. So if n is a even integer, so largest binomial coefficient is NC n by 2, and if n is odd, then NC n minus 1 by 2 is equal to NC n plus 1 by 2. This is largest binomial coefficient. Next, if n is a positive integer, then sigma r is equal to 1 to n, NCr is equal to n into 2 power of n minus 1. Next, sigma r is equal to 2 to n, r into r minus 1 Cr is equal to n into n minus 1 2 power of n minus 2. And sigma r is equal to 1 to n r square into Cr is equal to n into n plus 1 2 power of n minus 1. Okay. Next, some binomial theorem for rational index. You must remember this. 1 plus x power of minus n is equal to, when plus is there, alternate plus or minus. If minus is there, all plus. So 1 plus x power of minus n is equal to 1 minus n by 1 factorial x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial x square plus up to minus 1 power of n, n into n plus 1 up to n plus r minus 1 by r factorial x power of r. Similarly, 1 minus x power of minus n is equal to 1 plus n by 1 factorial x plus n plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n plus 1, n plus 2 by 3 factorial x cube plus so on. And if mod x less than 1, then pq belongs to n. So you have 1 plus x power of p by q. Okay, plus is there, positive index, rational rational power. So 1 plus p by 1 factorial x by q power of 1 plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial x by q whole square plus p into p minus q p minus 2q by 3 factorial x by q power of q, and next 1 plus x power of minus p by q is equal to 1 minus p by 1 factorial x by q power of 1 plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial x by q whole square minus p into p plus q p plus 2q by 3 factorial x by q whole cube, so on. And see, this is 1 plus q 1 plus q. Now 1 minus x power p by q, so it will be 1 minus p by 1 factorial x by q power of 1 plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial x by q whole square minus p into p minus q p minus 2q, this is 2q, by 3 factorial x by q whole cube. Last 1 minus x power of minus p by q is equal to 1 plus p by 1 factorial x by q power of 1 plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial x by q power of 2 plus p into p plus q p plus 2q by 3 factorial x by q whole cube. So these are the basic concept formulas for binomial theorem. Okay, now we have seen the binomial theorem part 1 formulas and concept. Subscribe my YouTube channels Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. That's all.